Okay, right. Good afternoon, and welcome to this lecture of electronics. I guess we were studying practical of electronics, and in this practical, we are going to study about Wien bridge oscillator, right? So we have made a circuit of Wien bridge oscillator over here on the breadboard. I'll show you that circuit. Uh, yes. So this is that circuit. It's not visible from there. So we'll try to show you close to the camera. So these are the two capacitors and these are the two resistors which we have connected. And this is the IC of op-amp which we are using, that is TL084. And we have connected this circuit as a bridge circuit. This is the tank circuit that we are having, these two, and this capacitor and resistances are in series, right? And this is a feedback resistor which is connected over there. And this is a pot which can be adjusted according to our requirements, right? So this is the circuit of Wien bridge oscillator. Today we are going to study this circuit and we'll try to see the waves on the CRO, right? This is the power supply that we are using over here. So we are having this plus 12, minus 12 and ground, as well as dual power supply we are having over here. So this is plus 12. So I am connecting it to pin number 4 of TL084 over here. Yes. And this is minus 12. So I am connecting it to pin number 11. Yes. And yeah, yes, it is connected. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So it is connected. And we are using the second op-amp of TL084. The pin numbers are 4, 5, 6, 7. Right. So 7 is the output. We are expecting the output to come from here. And we are expecting to see this on the CRO. I guess it is visible. So these are the two terminals. We are using the X and the Y coordinate. I will just connect it to the output of this. So this is the output terminal which is taken from pin number 7. This is the output and we have to connect it with the ground, right? Okay. And we need to adjust the spot which we have connected in the feedback so that sign will appear accordingly. So yes. Pin number 4. Yeah. Okay, we have to connect ground also. We have missed the ground. So I'm connecting it to the ground terminal of the breadboard. Yeah. So I've connected it to ground. Now we'll just vary this and we'll try to have the sine wave. Okay. Connected to positive. Yeah. So here I guess it is a little bit loose. Yeah. So it is showing you wave. We have to adjust this to bring to a sine wave. Yeah. So, yes, I guess it is visible. Huh. So we are having sine wave over here, as you can able to see. So this is a sine wave which we have designed this, and thus it works as a Wien bridge oscillator, where oscillator which is going to generate a certain frequencies. So we have designed it for say 10 kilohertz, I guess. So we have arranged this for 10 kilohertz. We'll measure the value of the frequency. So we'll start from 0.5, 1, 1, 2, 5, 10, 20, 50, and then again, yes, 0.1. So we are keeping it on 0.1 millisecond time per division space. Okay, so we can measure this from So the complete cycle, I guess it's still a little bit damped over here on the lower portion. So we can adjust it. Yeah. Again, it has been misplaced. Yeah. Something is a little bit loose over here. I guess since it is very crude. Uh, just hold for. Yeah. So yes, it is appearing over. We'll have to just a little bit adjust the pot so that we'll have a pure sine wave, and we'll be measuring that uh, resistance, the value of that resistance accordingly. So we don't know exactly at where we'll be having the Barkhausen criteria, right? So I guess it is a pure sine wave which is appearing over here. So we can measure the value of time and then we'll convert that into a frequency. So for that, I guess we have put it on say zero point 0.1 division, right? So we'll be measuring that on the peak. Yes, it is having a damp. So we can measure the scale. It is yeah. So it is one, two, three, four, and five. Five divisions are there, and we have to multiply it with zero point 0.1. So it is 5 into zero point 0.1, that is zero point 0.5 millisecond. And if you do it 1 by zero point 0.5, so it will be around millisecond, 10 raised to the power minus 3. So 1 by zero point 0.5 means just approximately it is equal to 1 by zero point 0.5. So we can calculate it. How much it is? 1 divided by zero point 0.5. That is 2. So around 2 kilohertz frequency we are getting over here. And we have done this for say 2 kilohertz frequency. The Wien bridge oscillator is designed for that. So this circuit works as a Wien bridge oscillator. This is a practical which we are having in our semester 3 RTMU Nagpur University electronics syllabus of BSc STEM 3, right? So I guess this much is enough for you. You can do this practical by using this. So this is the power supply which we are using. This is a transformer, and this is a dual power supply that we have done for this. So thank you very much for listening. Stay tuned to my YouTube channel. I'll be loading more videos on this. Please go through the YouTube channel, like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Take care. Good day.